Mkungu elephant angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nabantu abadala
This is
ngeke
home run
ngidwa
with Makeba PMB. Mawungibona we Makeba. This is home run with Makeba. Mawungibona we Makeba. Bekelela nawidladla. This is home run with Makeba PMB. If ungibona shout outs bafethu umemeza igama Makeba we Makeba we Makeba. This is home run with Makeba PMB. Angithi uyangithola. Ninjani Razo yami? Razo mina nguMageba ngiphuma le PMB angizwa ngithola. Emkungu Ndlovu phisa ama respect la ngiphuma khona. Ngihambe ngi-interview abantu ukuthi yini okwayenzela ifamily yakhe grand nanokuthi yini osafisa ukuyenzela ifamily yakhe grand. uNkulunkulu mayathi ukupha amandla manje. Yini mhlawumbe okwayenzela ifamily yakho? Mathiwa nje uNkulunkulu uthi nawo u4 million. Manje
4 million
at least imali ebukekayo yini mhlawumbe ungayenzela ifamily yakho noma office ukuyenzela ifamily yakho.
alright chap bafo singayicala ukuthi elami igama umuntu
Mina mfethu ngicabanga lokhu uyimouth ubafa ngisambuza ngigama lakhe ngiyaxolisa ne
nangingisela igama lami umuntu sibonga uDlamini bafo
sibalikhulu
yeah sibalikhulu nje bombo lokuhlehletela nje hey mfowethu singamakhosi bela ke Mswati mbamba manje ke asingene la ku4 million bafo to depend ukuthi uthola kanjani lo 4 million yabona mangithole u4 million ngizohlala 6 months ngawusebenzisi kwazi ukubuyisa ingqondo bafo ukuthi lento engiyifuna ukuyenzela ifamily yami yini ezokwazi ukuthi i-sustain for umnyaka uya-understand bafo ingathi le 4 million mase ifikile bese iphela ubudlapha ngoba uyabona imali esibhudugudu sometimes nayo iphela ubudlapha uya-understand so ifamily yami ngaqala ngiyibheke ukuthi okay lo 4 million uzowenzelani ezohlala isikhathi engeke iphele isibhudugudu sharp now we'll start ukuthi sikuphi ifamily yami understand bahlala kuphi ifamily yami sibheke environment yakhona ukuthi ikuphi therefore we'll take it further so ake ngikubeke ngithi kuwe bafo angeke ngiyenze ibe yinde ngifuna ukuyenza nje ibe short ngoba nami ikhona into engisasebhizi ngayo la mfethu yangizwa so now u4 million if uyafika la eThembisa eThembisa sinama business amaningi ukuthi azoyenza ukuthi lo 4 million i-generate-ke kufomile ukuthi noma ngihambile emhlabeni ngelinye ilanga ifamily ihlale njani ihlale right ngiyabonga mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ubafo usebenza kakhulu awungeza my brother mfethu nawe uzosho kwakho mfethu ubafo uthi mengathola u4 million kuningi okuhla ngakonzela umndeni wakhe into ebalekile ukuthi sibhekelele ifamily ngaphandle kwefamily awuyilutho nje yami ifamily iza kuqala ngisho akuthi uyahola namhlanje yonke imali iqale ejaldini before iye emajimbosini nako madam angithwa ngithola njengoba siphethe amajimbosi bafo ngabe ubani igama lakho mfethu
bayangazi ngopantsu 28 akekho umunye ngiyi1
ipantsula 28 pantsula angithwa ngithola one man only
ipantsula elifresh eliclean
ngiyakubamba
celebrate
angithwa ngithola buka lesidwadlo nje yami
ipantsula elihamba ama accounts akufana ku USA abo Canada
hayibo
oh yes oh shit yes
you've been to Canada
I've stayed there for 2 years
what were you doing there?
Obviously, ngiyipantsula, I was teaching them.
Oh!
Africa siphetheni
how to dance.
Oh yes.
Ne.
Uyayibamba.
Yebo bafo. Manje usho mfethu ufakwa yini vele ekubeni ipantsula noma uvele ukhule uyipantsula vele ufika kanjani yini ekuyisa khona le bakubone kanjani vele ko Canada?
Angithi lento ecala ekhaya ubhuti nakayithanda so he inspire me a lot endlini so ngakhula nayo it become a habit actually it's a culture game lento esegazini uyayibamba.
Manje awusho mfethu njoba isingenile kwena egazini lento ubani ofika kuwena osho ukuthi mfethu manje kune trip kanje uyokhanda imali le trip kwenzeka kanjani
angithi uyabona kule industry I have more than 20 years kule industry so I'm connected people knows me so I'm a social media I've been in places so I'm an organizer they know me they just call me Pantsu we are needed in America you are needed in Canada like this year 29 so say USA
yo 29 is April
yes
hayibo next week phela manje lapho hayibo uke Canada uba for USA yonke indawo all hayibo first all the world the whole world is there mawumfuna uPantsula for life
uPantsu 2080 ngibuya ku group ekubizwa uThembisa Red Devils siyamapantsula asinama visa so ivisa inika nobobani so amapantsula ane visa so mapantsula adi cheese boy out ehlokomela mawuyipantsula doesn't mean kwamela utshontshe you still be a pantsula ube ne-education you still be a pantsula ube clean ungabhemi okay uyayibamba
vele njalo
exactly
washo uphuka two shoes ukabelo mabalalo ngilipantsula for life awu ngilipantsula for life cwala nje yami
mfethu abomsola abomagolidi abo-action ukuthembisa Red Devil amapantsula shine ayithembisa bafethu we-inspire the young ones ukuthi bafethu lento italenti ungadla ngayo ungaphila ngayo
mfethu mina into engifuna ukukubuza yona very important questions here is ukuthi yini what have you done for your family noma mhlambe what do you wish to do for them
ifamily yami ngayithatha from zero to hero so nasihlala emkhukhwini sihlala emansionini from Kasi to the world that's what I did for my family.
You've done that?
Yeah.
Ne
ngimali yokujiva
awuzwe nje
baba from one room yomkhukhu to 8 room yendlo yesipantsula nasihlala ema-crating masihlala ema-coachini kanje simami wi-fi
angithi uyangithola
uyayibamba
ngeke ngicwala ngawe all the way up ngicwala ngawe uNkulunkulu akubusise bafo ungagcini namhlanje ifamily yakho ikupho okusha okunye osafisa ukuyenzela kona more things nje mhlawumbe ungayisho umutshela umuntu obhekile lapha ekhaya
into engifuna ukuyenzela ifamily yami ukuthi siphume Dubai siyo relax show moya imali esipantsula that's what I want to do
fire imali talent
angithi asitshonje siyajiva
angithi uyazenzela into egrand
mawuhambe eKasi uqoka kanje bathi laba
igebengu
ungasithathi ngokungcola sinama visa wena
angithi wangithola losho njalo usebazwa ngcola kana ngishiya passports ngithola abafuyi
and passport is 600 asimala
yabuka yadura home affairs
and you apply it online uyayibona and i-visa is more than 3 point something
very cheap
so ngoba thina
ayikho cheap it's very cheap ayikho cheap 3 point something ivisa
so wonke umuntu anetalent angayithathi kancane aphushe because awazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu okubekeleni all I'm trying to say ukuthi put God first
uNkulunkulu phambili bafethu ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu awuyindawo
angeke
angisho ngisoma abafukholelwa kwini kumadlozi
no I believe in God
le impahla ayipayisebenzelayo le mpahla ikeje ikeja bese ungene kanjani la ikeja
mina kuyikeja ngiyi-brand ambassador ikeja they sponsor us nale talent team and then I help them to promote ikeja ngoba ngiyazeka ngiyathandeka so they use me as my face
ikeja litholakala mapha ikhona eNatal
no Natal ayikafiki but wa in the way to Natal
ngeke ungitshele mhlawumbe nje awu5 nje singathola kuwo nje
no manje saseGauteng naseLimpopo but manje we still working on ama-tower siyawafaka asendleleni kwamanye ama-province angithi la sebenza ngama-tower ukuthi iwazi ukusupplya because this one is the best I break is 24 hours it's unlimited so angeke sijampe we need to take time ama-technician wethu afundile kwe-university kwamele take isikhathi sabo bayisebenze kahle
manje bafo njengoba ushaya isipantsula ubani aba-commercial nje ama-celebrities njalo e-South Africa uyosipana nawo nje commercial wise
not only like South Africa abaningi abo-Casper abomnata
King Monada
abo-Focalist like abomakhazi like those are my family are my brothers and sisters so ngikhuluma ngabo Drake I did a music video nabo Drake manje as I said ukuthi ngiye-America they said kune surprise ngwenza music video naye angazi maybe uBeyonce or Jay-Z just as a surprise that's why
surprise hayi all the best bafo engawungangifaka esikhwameni nje nami ngibone mfethu ibhano ngigibela ibhano bafo
lento ngayenza lento ngakutshela yona bafo ukuthi don't take yourself down anything is possible you can do it noba wemkhukhwini ubuya kuphi just know ukuthi you can break the chain you can be the first one umuntu oqala ekhaya ukudrive iBMW since the entire family I'm the first one and I'm proud of that
and uNkulunkulu sakubusisa ngamo things
be kind be humble
respect
take things slowly
into eyincanywa ngawo bafo ukhonile nokubhekelela i-community yakho ngoba phela e-community ngisho ukuthi usibonele sihle
what I do for my community bayangazi noma ngibuya abroad I remember nge-COVID-19 mina nomsola we take imali yokulingana ne-30,000 sathengela community ukudla abafana abanetalent we help them abafana nama homework endlini siyabanceda abafana siyabaconnecta we do a lot for a community.
So ke manje bafuthi tholakala kuphi umuntu ofuna ukulandela ofuna ukubona umsebenzi wakho wenze njani?
Ngopansu 28 ku Facebook, ngopansu 28 ku Facebook, ku TikTok, ku Instagram, yonke into Pansu 28.
Pansu 28.
Yeah.
Yonke indawo. Nimfollowe bafethu bafa yonke indawo ngendlela egrand wenza izinto ezinhle emphakathini and into ebalekile uyena wokuqala kwi family yakhe wa breaka le case.
Oh yes.
Ngangithola.
Oh shit.
Never underestimate umuntu.
Ungasinyazi.
Don't take us for granted. Sizinja
kaSpedi bari modimo asinyazi yamma
umakeba yinja kuhle nomuntu ophuma eCanada uzongitshelani wena baba cwala one love all the way from le Peter Maritzburg ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba nabantu abadala takho kuyabonga ne God bless you always.
Limpopo on the map Mapedi phambili
cwala nje yami yizobafo njobe ngishilo bafethu ubafo wenza izinto ezigrand lifeini uphume eCanada uphume eAmerica ngomhla ka29 April lo sikuwo uye America again uyoshaya dance angihambi ke ngedwa ngihambe ngedwa mhla 28 ya ne lapho nje mfethu kodwa kubalekile ukuthi bamfollow kuFacebook bamfollow yonke indawo uPansu 28 yonke indawo bamfollow ne into grand uMageba akahambi yedwa ake ngihambe ngedwa kuhlale ngahambi ngedwa ngihamba nabantu abadala ngiphuma le eMgungundlovu phethu baxolele behind the camera yizo nje yami danko cwala vale awe